Number 7, the first reaction, the second one, the third one, with their delta H value given. Write an equation for the standard enthalpy change of formations of HCl. Again, highlight your target. And then refer to the definition. Please write down the equation for this term. Formation, that means HCl is the product. When 1 mole of HCl is formed from its element are H2 and Cl2. Understand? Because this is 1, so half, half. This is the answer for part A. You understand? Construct an enthalpy and enthalpy change cycle to determine. I think you're not necessary to construct a cycle. It is not easy. Instead, maybe we'll use summation. That means work out the delta H of these 3 equations, and then this is your target. It should be your result. So write down your target reaction first, and then we need to calculate its delta H. Now let's look at half H2. Which equation have H2? There are 2. Okay, I don't start with this one. Half Cl2, that's only one, this one. But you need to divide this equation by half. Keep the direction, but divide the equation by half. In doing this, the delta H becomes negative 629/2. Do you understand? Which is negative 314.5 kilojoule per mole. Okay, can you follow? Next, we have introduced, this equation has been used already. This one, put a tick. Next, we have introduced N2, half N2. We need to cancel it out, okay? In canceling it out, that means we need to use the first equation. However, we need to change the direction of the first equation, reverse. Besides over 2, reverse, and divide the whole equation by 2. In doing this, the delta H becomes from negative 92 to positive 92, and then over 2. It is 46 kilojoule per mole. In other words, in balancing this equation, we can cancel out N2 and N2. Next, we have NH3 on the reactant side. How to cancel it out? We need to refer to the second equation. Simply reverse the second equation. Because I have reversed the second equation, so the delta H changed from negative to positive, 176. Lastly, let's check. In combining these 3 equations up, NH3 can be cancelled out. Ammonium chloride can be cancelled out. Understand? Lastly, let's check. We have 2 H2 on the left. We have 1.5 H2 on the right. Therefore, there is half H2 on the reactant side. We have half CO2, and then we have 1 HCl. Therefore, delta H is equal to the summation of these terms. Which is negative 92.5 kilojoule per mole. It's wrong. I missed the decimal places. So it should be negative 92.4 kilojoule per mole. Okay.